So I'm Jenny Thomas. I come originally from Scotland and I worked on Ynys Môn or Anglesey with Tyddyn Môn. So I did an apprenticeship because I wanted to get back into working with care, and you need now to do a course in order to do that. So in order to make sure you're working with the legislations. So I did a work-based apprenticeship with Cenedlaethol because I was working with Tyddyn Môn anyway, so it made sense to do a work-based apprenticeship. Tyddyn Môn are a charity who support adults with learning difficulties, and they've got homes, houses on the islands in which people will work, like for example myself, to support the adults to get to have the best life like that we can make possible for them, to give them the rights and give them an interesting life as well. It's the same as what any of us would want of our own lives. I think it's really important to speak Welsh because obviously it's the first language of the country. Well, it is the language of the country. But it's also the first language of a lot of people. So if you're feeling down or low or a wee bit sad, then it's much easier to express yourself in your own language. So we used Welsh every day in the houses that I worked in. So one of our ladies, she came originally from a Welsh-speaking family, and I can imagine how hard it would have been for her to come to like a new life, a new house, with new people, and imagine if nobody had been able to speak Welsh, how like isolating that would be for her. It's really important to speak language, and it will help you with relationships with colleagues, it'll help you at work, it'll help you with clients, and it's good just to understand what's actually going on. Do you know what I mean? It's like, why be in a country if you can't understand the language? So it shows respect to your clients, and they'll respect you as well, you know, because they see what you're doing, and it doesn't matter if you don't do everything right, if you make mistakes. You know, I would say to everyone, you must learn, not just, oh, you kind of could, you should do it. When I was learning Welsh, loads of people were asking if I could speak Gaelic, like Scottish Gaelic, and I couldn't. And it was Welsh, learning Welsh, that inspired me to learn Gaelic and gave me the courage to, you know. So yeah, I'm living back in Scotland now, and the weirdest thing, loads of people here want to learn Welsh and are speaking it. So I'm speaking it to them. So it just shows you'll never know how the language will come in useful later in life for you. Like, who would have thought I'd be like trying to help people in Scotland to learn Welsh? You know? So yeah, it can help you with loads of things.